Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So in today's video we will discuss Python try except function. Try except function has various parts, so let's discuss one by one. The try block lets you test a block of code for errors. Try block basically we can use to test the errors in our code. The accept block lets you handle the error. And then else block lets you execute code when there is no error. And then finally, the finally block lets you execute code regardless of the result of the try and except blocks. So the finally block basically lets us run our code even if it has an error or not. So let's move on to exception handling, how we can handle an error or an exception. When an error occurs or an exception as well as we call it, Python will normally stop and generate an error message. So that's a built-in function in Python that when an error occurs in the code will not be run and it will be stopped. These exceptions can be handled using try statement. So let's see an example of a try statement. So this is the code for try statement. First we will write the condition. The try block will generate an error because x is not defined. And then the try function. Then the variable which is x, print x, then the accept function, and then the output uh, condition, print an exception occurs. So that will be an output for this code. An exception occurs because x is not defined. So that's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.